and welcome to another video from the Best of CAT series from Algebra. In this video, you have to find the product of the distinct roots of this particular equation. So what I would suggest is you pause the video, try this question on your own and then have a look at the solution. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, you can join the IMS Zero Fee Prep programs that will give you access to concept videos, sectionals, full-length tests and more for free. You may click on the I button or on the link in the description box below to access the same. Happy learning! In this question, you have to find the product of the distinct roots. So what we have here is a modular quadratic term. So modulus of x square minus x minus 6 and that is equal to x plus 2. So what we can do in this case is we can simply say that x square minus x minus 6 will be equal to either plus x plus 2 or it will be equal to minus of x plus 2. So we will again write this x square minus x minus 6 is equal to minus of x plus 2. What you can do is you can again shuffle the terms that we have, figure out all the possible values of x and multiply them to get the answer. So in this case, if you look at the first expression that we have written, x square minus x minus 6 equals x plus 2. If the plus x comes to the left hand side, then you will get x square minus 2x and minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 8. So x square minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. By simply splitting the middle term and observing what could be the roots, you can say that the roots of this particular equation are going to be the values of x when x minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0, or the values of x will be 4 and minus 2. So those are the roots of the first equation. What about the second equation that we have written? X square minus x minus 6 equals minus x minus 2. So if you have difficulty integrating the minus sign into the equation, what you can do is you can simplify the term first and then adjust x and 2. So what we are saying here is x square minus x minus 6 is minus x minus 2. Or you can say x square minus x will get cancelled out from both the sides. Minus 6 will go to the right hand side, will become plus 6 minus 2 is going to give you 4. So the value of x can either be plus or minus 2. So in this case, we can see that what all values can x take? X can either be equal to 4 or minus 2, or x can also be equal to plus 2. Now mind you, this plus or minus 2 does not mean that x can take the value of minus 2 twice. Because if you try to draw a graph of this particular equation, you will see that it's going to be a continuous line that you are going to draw. It will be curved of course, but it will be a continuous line that we are going to draw. So at any point in time, it is going to cut the x-axis at these points 4, minus 2 and 2, right? It will not cut the minus 2 point twice, and that is why we can say that the roots of this particular equation are 4, minus 2 and 2, meaning that the product is going to be equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 8 into 2, that is minus 16. So the correct answer here is option 1, that is minus 16. So what you can do is you can solve the replica question at the end of this video on your own by using the same concept that we have applied here, and just share your answer in the comment section below. If there is any doubt or any query pertaining to this question, feel free to get in touch with us and we will revert you with a reply. Happy learning!